So today we're going for something a little different. So it's not your average balayage, and it's more of a creative color. So here I am dry cutting her hair before we start the color process. And normally I would cut when the hair is wet and then just kind of refine it after blow drying it. But I just felt like dry cutting it today. That way I'm not wasting too much product when I go in to color her hair. And no, your eyes are not deceiving you. The lights are definitely off. And I promise you, I'm not being cheap and turning off the lights while I color my client's hair. But there was a huge thunderstorm, so all the lights in the building went out. So she is being so sweet and holding up this light for me while I do my struggle coloring. So here I am trying to be professional and color, but in the back of my mind, I was like, this one that they're taking lights is like never has transferred to United States. So I went ahead and moved her outside in the lobby. Because, I'm a child of light. I'm not a child of darkness. No, but I was really struggling to see, and I didn't want the light to come on, and then turns out I've just done a great balayage on her eyelash or something. So here we are just putting the foils. So I'm doing back-to-back foils because this color she's actually going for is something that I've seen like on TikTok, and it's like really fun, creative, trendy thing. And I was a bit hesitant, I'm not gonna lie, to give it to her, but I did not want her to go and try it herself and then mess up her hair. So here I am applying the toner to the front of her hair. Now I'm so used to doing a root color that I didn't know what to do with myself, but no root this time. We're just going full blonde. And I'm like, what am I looking? Oh, we were watching a good documentary. That's what it was. And so I kept looking up at the TV. She was inspired by Rogue from X-Men. So here we have the final results. And so she is ready to go out and save the world with her mask, sanitizer, and while social distancing, girl, because you know that corona.